Hello students, very good morning to you all, and this is Arvind Rai from LKM Public School which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, and I am your subject teacher of Social Studies, and this video is going to help for class 3rd students. Okay, this video is for class 3rd students. In this video, we are going to start our new chapter, that is our Earth. Our Earth. Okay? See on page number 7, it is given our Earth, and at the top left hand side, it is written learning outcomes. Okay? One heading is given learning outcomes. Okay? Learning outcomes. First point is explain why life is possible on Earth. What is the first point? Explain why life is possible on Earth. Okay? First point is explain why life is possible on Earth. Second point is describe the shape of the Earth. Second point is describe the shape of the Earth. Okay? Describe the shape of the Earth. Third point is name the continents and oceans. Name the continents. Name the continents and oceans. Okay? Fourth point is explain what the atmosphere is. Explain what the atmosphere is. Okay? And fifth point is explain what globes and maps are and why we need them. Fifth point is explain what the globes and maps are. Okay? And okay? And why we need them. Okay? So these are the points we are going to cover in our this video. Okay? Explain why life is possible on Earth. Okay? What does it means? Why only on Earth life is possible? Second point is describe the shape of the Earth. Okay, what is the shape of the Earth? Name the continents and oceans. Okay, we are going to describe or we are going to discuss what are the different names of continents and oceans and how many continents and oceans are there in the world. After that, explain what the atmosphere is. Okay, explain what the atmosphere is. It means what does atmosphere stands for. After that, explain what the globes and maps are and why we need them. Okay? Explain what the globes and maps are and why we need them. Okay? So these are the points we are going to learn in this chapter. Now see on page number 8. Okay? First paragraph is starting from top of the page under the heading the earth, the living planet. Okay? The earth is home to human beings and to a variety of plants, trees, flowers, insects, fish and animals. Okay? Our earth is home to variety of living organisms. Okay, for examples, people, animals, okay, insects, fish and animals, plants, trees. Okay, there are many varieties of plants, trees, insects, animals, okay, human beings. So this, sorry, these living organisms, okay, they live, sorry, they live on the earth, which is called the living planet. Okay, in fact, it is the only planet in the universe where life is known to exist. Okay, this earth is only the planet in the universe where the life exists. Some of the things that make life possible on earth are water found on the surface of the earth, the layer of air, okay, that surrounds, okay, the layer of air that surrounds the earth, and the heat and light that we get from the sun. No life is possible without water, air, heat and light. Okay, now I should rub these points. Okay, I hope that you have mentioned these points. Now see on the board, we are going to discuss some of the things, some of the things that makes, okay, some of the things, now some of the things that makes life possible on earth. Okay, some of the things that makes life possible on earth. Okay, so what are they? First one is water. First one is first one is water, that is found on the surface of the earth. Okay, first thing which makes life possible on earth is water, that is found on the surface of the earth. Second point, second important thing for life is air, that second one is air that surrounds surrounds the earth. Okay, that surrounds the earth. And third one is heat and light. Okay. Third one is heat and light that we get from the sun. That we get from the sun. Okay. So these are the three most important things which makes life possible on earth. What they are? Water that is found on the surface of the earth. Secondly, air that surrounds the earth. And third, heat and light that we get from the sun. Okay. Now we'll discuss about continents and oceans. Okay. We'll discuss about continents and oceans. Now look on page number 8. Okay. Before we are starting to the heading continents and oceans, beside to that heading, one point is given, quick check, and one question is given, why is the earth called a living planet? Okay. Question is, why is the earth called the why is the earth called the living planet? Okay. So I think that now you might answer this question, that why is earth called a living planet, because just now we had discussed that what are the three most important things or elements for our life which supports our life on earth. Okay. First one is water, second one is air, and third one is heat and light. Okay. So earth is only the planet which have all these three major components of life supporting things. Okay. Now continents and oceans. Look at the picture of the earth shown above. As we can see, the surface of the earth is covered by land and plenty of water. Okay. One picture is shown of earth at the top of the page on page number 8. Okay. It is showing that the surface of the earth is covered by land. Okay. The land part is shown by green color and brown color, and rest of the part is bluish color, which represents water, and greenish shade and brownish shade represents the land surface. Okay. The large pieces of land are called continents. Okay. The large pieces of land are called continents, and okay, and the large bodies of water between the continents are called oceans. There are seven continents and five oceans. Okay. Now you might have learned that what is continent and what is ocean. Okay. The large pieces of land, okay, the large pieces of land are called continents, and the large water bodies between the continents are called oceans. Okay. In our next video we will discuss the names of continents, the names of oceans, and which one is the biggest continent, which one is the smallest continent, and which one is the biggest ocean and which one is the smallest ocean, and where does they lie in our world map. Okay. Till then you are supposed to complete and revise each and every point, and you are supposed to maintain your fair copy as well, and you are supposed, okay, you are supposed to join your daily online classes, okay, which is being run on our school link. Till then, we'll meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.